let's be real, the whole AI explosion can feel a little overwhelming, right? You're definitely not alone. But what if I told you there's a clear and totally free path from feeling intimidated to feeling empowered? Well, let's dive into the exact roadmap that's going to help you master AI in the coming year. First, a little reality check. A recent study found that a whopping 60% of people in India just don't understand AI or how to use it. Now, you could look at that as a problem, or you could see it for what it really is, a golden opportunity to get way ahead of the curve. It's a great question, isn't it? I mean, if this tech is so revolutionary, why isn't everybody already on board? Well, it turns out the barriers are actually pretty simple and probably pretty relatable. It really just boils down to these three things: access, skill, and confidence. People don't know where to start, they're not sure how to get good results, and honestly, the whole thing just looks way too complex. So this explainer, it's designed to smash right through every single one of those barriers for you. Okay, first things first. We have to build a solid base. And no, I'm not talking about learning complex math or code, not at all. I mean truly understanding the what and the why of AI in simple, practical terms. The perfect place to begin, trust me on this, is a course from deeplearning.ai called AI for Everyone. It's designed by Andrew Ng, who's a total legend in the field, and it's made specifically for people without a technical background. Think of this as your AI 101. And you're going to be in some pretty good company. Over 1.8 million people have already taken this course. And what's really important about this number is that it's your social proof. It tells you this isn't some niche, super difficult course. It is a proven, validated starting point for millions of people. This course basically demystifies everything. You'll learn the lingo, what actually makes a company an AI company, what machine learning is really good at, and what it's not good at, and even how to start thinking about AI's impact on our world. The best part? All you need to bring is your own curiosity. All right, so once you get what AI is, the very next step is learning how to talk to it. This right here is where most people get stuck, but it's also the most critical skill for getting powerful results. It's called prompt engineering. And who better to learn from than the folks who made the thing? OpenAI offers a fantastic and surprisingly short course on prompt engineering. This is where you go from being a casual user to someone who can command an AI with real precision. This quote, it just gets to the heart of it all. A great output from an AI is a direct result of a great input. It's that simple. This course teaches you the art and the science behind crafting those perfect, powerful prompts. And then you get to the next level, meta-prompting. This is a fascinating idea from OpenAI. The core idea is brilliant. Instead of just guessing how to write a good prompt, you use another, more advanced AI to help you write a better prompt. It's like having an AI coach for your AI. What you're looking at is this incredibly powerful feedback loop. You bring the initial idea, the AI acts your expert coach to refine it, and bam, you walk away with a superior prompt. It is literally the difference between guessing and getting it right on the first try. So once you understand AI and you can speak its language, what's next? Well, it's time to go from being a user to a builder. And here's the most exciting part. You don't have to be a traditional coder anymore. Yeah, welcome to the concept of vibe coding. This is a total game changer. The idea is that your ability to clearly describe an outcome is the new code. You provide the vision, the vibe, and the AI handles all the heavy lifting, all the technical execution. Just let that sink in for a second. Think about the possibilities. If your imagination and your ability to describe what you want are the only limits, what would you create? This just throws the doors wide open for anyone to become a creator. So where do you start building? You've got options. If you want to build on top of the models you already know, like ChatGPT, you'll use the OpenAI API. If you want to play around in Google's world with their Gemini models, you'll go to Vertex AI. And if you need a super specialized tool for a unique task, Hugging Face is like a massive free library of thousands of open source models. Now we get to the really futuristic stuff, AI agents. These aren't just tools that wait for your commands. Nope, these are systems that can independently go out and accomplish complex tasks for you. Building them involves a few key ideas. You can use frameworks like Crew AI to create a whole team of specialist agents. You give them roles, you give them memory so they remember what's going on, you give them tools to use, and, this part's crucial, you build in guardrails to keep them focused and safe.
A key piece of this whole puzzle is something called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. The easiest way to think of it is like a universal language, or maybe a standardized plug, that lets any AI agent connect with any external tool, safely and efficiently. It's a foundational building block for a future where all these AIs can work together.
So, we have covered a lot of ground, right? From just understanding the basics all the way to building autonomous agents. Let's pull it all together into one clear and actionable roadmap.
And here it is, all laid out. Step 1, the foundation. You got to understand what it is. Step 2, the language. You master how to talk to it. Step 3, the build. You create your own stuff. And step 4, automation. You deploy agents to work for you. See how each step is a doorway to the next? It's a clear path from beginner to builder. So the main takeaway is this. The confusion is gone. That feeling that it's too complicated, that's gone too. You now have the map. The only thing left to do is take that first step. And that really is the final question, isn't it? This isn't some science fiction story anymore. It is happening right now, today. The tools are free, the knowledge is out there and accessible, and the opportunity is absolutely massive. So, are you going to be a spectator, or are you going to be a builder?